ado, let me introduce Lisa Friedlander with Next, powered by Shulman Rogers. Lisa, are you there?
Yes, good morning. Good morning. I echo TN's sentiments. I hope everyone is healthy and well, your families, your colleagues, everybody is staying productive and as sane as possible during this crazy time. And huge shout out to TN and Laura and Kathy and the whole CONNECTpreneur team. I don't know how you guys do it, manage event after event, virtual or not, that are all truly fantastic. So thank you for hosting and for having me. I am excited to represent Next, powered by Shulman Rogers. For those of you that may not know, Next is an innovative new model for delivery of legal services for startup and emerging growth companies. We solve the core problem of lack of predictability and reasonableness in legal fees, something I think everybody has most likely experienced at one time or another. We've eliminated the billable hour, and we deliver our services through fixed fee packages and service bundles with over 75 current offerings, more being added daily. I'm especially proud of our COVID-19 crisis mitigation packages that have helped many of our clients with SBA loan applications, down rounds, insurance reviews, everything to help companies really survive and thrive during this time. Next is extremely high touch and customer centric. We get direct access to senior business attorneys, and we use a robust technology platform to make the entire customer experience more transparent and efficient. So enough without any further ado, I would love to introduce the first company pitching Actuated Medical, which is a developer of medical devices, including an innovative new TubeClear system that's used for the delivery of medication, nutrition, and hydration. So please welcome Maureen Mulvihill.
Hello, everyone. My name is Maureen Mulvihill, and I'm President and CEO of Actuated Medical. And I'm here today to talk about our company. So about 13 years ago, I was sitting in a doctor's office, and the doctor mentioned, we were talking about micro actuators. They were about the size of a grain of rice. And he said, Maureen, I don't care about the actuator. I need the whole system FDA cleared. So that's when we had the idea of bringing motion to medicine. So we started Actuated Medical on bringing motion to medicine to improve patient outcomes. Well, our company's been founded on about $25 million of non-dilutive capital. And that capital's allowed us to look at different clinical applications and start thinking about different ideas to solve those. Once we figured out that we had a device that had a market, then we would then launch it onto the market. And so we've launched 3 products so far. The idea of this is we'll have multiple licensing harvests for the shareholders, so shareholder dividends. As I mentioned, we have several products that we're in development. We have 23 issued patents and 40 applications moving forward. We have 3 products that are generating early sales, and we'll have 3 other products on the market by 2025. Our first product on the market is a device called the TubeClear system. And TubeClear clears clogged feeding tubes while the tube remains in the patient. It works in minutes. It's FDA cleared and patented, and the nurses love it. Well, there's about 7 million feeding tubes placed at a 25% clog rate. We're talking about 1.8 million feeding tubes that get clogged, and replacing them costs anywhere between $200 to over $1,000. These tubes provide the medication, nutrition, and hydration to these patients that can't self-feed. But they clog at a 25% clog rate. So we're talking about 1 in 4 patients are having to deal with clogs. These are actual clogged pictures that were sent to us by hospitals or clinicians at hospitals. They're gross. Well, the TubeClear system is a 2-part system. The control box sits outside of the patient. It's connected to a clearing stem. The clearing stem is moved forward and backwards and mechanically chips away at that clog and breaks up that clog. Our competition, we're faster and more effective. So if you think about when your kitchen sink clogs, what really works to clear that clog? Well, enzyme treatment's more like a biocompatible Drano. It takes a long time, and you might have to do it a couple times. And water, of course, doesn't clear your kitchen sink, and it doesn't clear the feeding tube. But our device, the TubeClear system's like an FDA-cleared rotor rooter. We're mechanically going in there, and we're quickly breaking up that clog. So we're faster and we're more effective. Our current customers are places like Harborview in Seattle and Ohio State and UT Southwestern. But just recently, Both Harborview and Ohio State switched to a proactive protocol. So instead of using it at that 25% clog rate or in those fully clogged tubes, they're now using it once a week. So what does that do to our market? Well, our total available market on a weekly use goes up to $5 billion. Their targets are hospitals, extended care, and pediatrics. Well, our value drivers, I said, we're patented. We have 11 patents that cover the commercial embodiment. We're FDA cleared. We have 5 510K clearances, and we have some verified reimbursement codes from the CMS. My position is I'm president and CEO. I actually sit on the board of directors of the AVAMed, which is the Medical Device Trade Association. I'm a Goldman Sachs 10,000 Small Business alum, and I was a U.S. delegate to the Global Entrepreneurship Summit. Our director of R&D, who's also a co-founder, Roger, he's the winner of a TIBITS, which is the Small Business Administration's TIBITS Award, which is for commercialization excellence from the SBIR program. Doug Dillon, one of the programs he was working on, he's director of manufacturing, had a MedTech Innovator Award. Mike Britton is our director of quality assurance and regulatory affairs. His focus is on our ISO 13485 certification and our compliance program. Nikki Williams is our clinical education specialist, and she works with the GPOs that have TubeClear listed on their contract and also our WBE certification. As I said, we have 25 products in development, or 12 products in development, 3 on the commercial market. We're seeking a $2.5 million equity investment into Actuated Medical. This is my incredible team of 20 individuals that love coming to work and love improving patient outcomes. I really appreciate your time, and I wish you and your families well. Thank you.